Hello again, Derick Vogel, founder and CEO of Credit Absolute. Today we're going to talk about the final coaching video, new credit. New credit is also 10%, which is 55 points of the total 550 points that we talked about originally. Now, new credit is very misunderstood because a lot of people think that inquiries are what make up this portion. Now, there are two different types of inquiries. Hard inquiries. Hard inquiries are when you apply for any type of loan, anything to do with money. And then you have soft inquiries that do not show up on your credit at all. And those are the ones that we like, because if you're applying for something, typically today, you can actually do a pre-approval where they say, hey, you qualify for this credit card. And then if you don't, there's no hard inquiry. But then if you do qualify, you would apply for that credit card or for that loan, and then the hard inquiry would report on your credit report. The reason I want to clear up the inquiry thing with you is because so many of us believe that inquiries impact our credit score like by 5 points or 10 points per inquiry. And I want you to know it does not at all. Literally, inquiries almost have no impact on your credit score. So you can be comfortable with checking your credit. So if you want to buy something, just know that it's okay. Just know this: don't keep applying for a bunch of credit if you get denied. That's when you would be like, okay, maybe it's time to reach out to a credit expert like myself that's going to be able to answer those questions for you, saying, okay, what and when should we apply for that loan? Okay. Now, new credit is also about building credit, right? So if we have no credit at all, then we need to look at applying for starter type of credit cards to build credit. And the great news is I have access to all those on my website or in the coaching video that you received. But if you go to the link on my website, it's just credit cards, credit card offers. There's starter credit cards. But then there's also credit cards on there if you have established credit, okay, so that you can strengthen your foundation. But just always know this: whatever you're looking to do financially, always consult, should I do this? Because if you're trying to buy a house, let's say, you wouldn't go out and buy a car before you buy a house. And trust me, this happens all the time, because it's going to drop your credit, and then you have an extra payment, and then it just destroys everything. But if you're trying to buy a house, it's okay to apply for a credit card if you need the credit card to help strengthen your foundation. Because a lot of times our credit scores aren't able to increase because we don't have enough credit. Okay? And so this is critical. Credit cards do not hurt your credit. They only hurt your credit if you max them out. So just a quick recap on the new credit. It's okay to get new credit. Inquiries do not affect your credit score like we think. Soft inquiries don't show up at all. And then just another thing about hard inquiries: after 1 year, there is no weight to them at all. And after 2 years, they finally fall off. So there is a little bit of time there. So always just remember to minimize inquiries and then utilize them when needed. Well, this wraps it up, everybody. This was the final video, and I'm really excited that I was able to share all these details with you. And just remember, apply all these foundational pieces on a daily and a monthly basis. And remember, it's going to take time, but that's okay. If you want to earn an 800 credit score, just remember, payment history, credit cards, age of credit, proper mix of credit, and new credit all work as a team. And just utilize these videos. If you have to rewatch them, rewatch them. If you have to share them with somebody, share them with somebody. Because there are those out there that are getting information that is incorrect. And I had to overcome all these challenges. and I know what works and I know what doesn't. Again, this is Derick Vogel with Credit Absolute. If you have any questions, reach out to me directly or my coaching team to further dive into any of the questions about the 5 areas of credit. I do look forward to continuing to be support for you and your future generations.